It's 3rd of January. It is a wolf super moon. And there is that beautiful wolf super moon. How are you working with the energy of the super moon this evening? You know, a lot of the time on this journey, I see people talking, and especially divine feminines, saying, my divine masculine isn't shifting. And what I want to remind you on this supermoon is your divine masculine holds the same vibration and frequency. As I always say, this is not a relationship. Once soul recognition happens, you as a divine feminine have to treat the journey differently. Now, as I always say, not everybody who believes they're on a twin flame journey is truly on one. How do you know? Well, your whole world will be shook up. You will be going through ego death, dark night of the soul, kundalini activations, heart chakra activation. You will be trying to cling on to anything just to stabilize your energy. But the anything at the beginning is the divine masculine. It's not till later on that you actually start to see the true energetic frequency. And so if you are in the energy of, well, my divine masculine isn't shifting, my divine masculine is still running, my divine masculine is ghosting, my divine masculine is not responding, then I want you to turn it around and look at, where are you not listening to yourself? Now, this is not always easy to do for divine feminine. Sorry, Ocean is right by my feet, wafting away. That is the cat. In the moonlight with me. You want to project all that wounding onto them. But here is the key. Inner union is not embodied while ever you are the victim and they are the villain, or you are projecting them as the victim. You have to shift the frequency, and the only way to shift this frequency is by bringing it back to you. Where are you running from yourself? Where are you ghosting yourself? Where are you not coming into your purpose, your power? This journey is an activation. This journey activates the Christ conscious frequency. It is not separate to you. It vibrates through you. This journey is a journey way beyond anything you have ever gone through before. But while ever you blame or say, my divine masculine is X, you are giving away your power. This supermoon energy is about you going, I bring back my power. I am not afraid to regulate my nervous system. And in order to regulate my nervous system, I must be able to see where I'm giving my power away. This journey is about knowing that you are soul. The soul does not identify with good or bad, with masculine or feminine. The soul just is. It is omnipresent. It is the frequency of divine. But you are having a human experience. And so the human experience keeps you in that mind and ego. It tells you the story that then creates the emotion. And from the emotion, it keeps you stuck in the wounded aspect. When you shift into inner union, because you are one energetic system, it automatically allows the divine masculine to breathe, to see, to feel. But while ever you are blaming them and projecting, and let me tell you, if you are projecting energy, it does not matter if it is good or bad energy, you are projecting it onto them. This journey works like no other. So the key is to bring it always back to you. And for you to go, I'm going to look at where my nervous system is deregulating. I'm going to bring peace. I'm going to go out and work with the seasons to know the ebb and the flow. There will be times that I need to hibernate, like the winter, like the bear. There'll be times when I need to let go and shed. And now we haven't moved into the wild horse just yet, the fire horse. That wild, powerful energy that is about on us. We are still shedding and releasing. That energy of the snake is still here. And this moon is the final shed. So what do you need to shed on this full moon? On this super wolf full moon? Release it, let it go, shed. Because in order to plant new, in order to create a new reality, you have to let go of the old timelines. You are creating your reality. Your thoughts, your emotions are always creating your reality. If you believe that you are left abandoned, betrayed, not enough, in lack, guess what? Your reality will show you that. But if you shift in and go, I'm going to see abundance in the glimmers. And abundance is there in the moon. Abundance is in the clouds, the sky. Abundance is in a drop of dew. Abundance is listening to the ocean as it whispers to you. Abundance is found in your peace, in your nervous system regulation. This full moon, this wolf, super full moon. A super full moon is a powerful full moon. You will see the tides at this time at the highest, at their peak. Why? Because the moon is connected to the rise and the fall of the oceans. The moon is connected to our inner ocean of our solar plexus, of our emotions. So where are your emotions right now? What can you do this evening to regulate your emotions? Getting out underneath the moon and just taking some deep breaths in. Going and having an Epsom salt bath. Cleansing your crystals and putting them out on your windowsill to charge. Going and creating some moon water. Some distilled water in a nice jar. And put it out in the moon. Let it bake. Let it soak that energy, that powerful, potent, beautiful energy. What are you creating right now? Where is your stillness? Where is your peace? Your divine masculine responds to your energy and frequency. If you're in chaotic energy, they cannot come in because that is not inner union. They come in when they feel that inner peace, that softness, that feminine flow, without the chaos, without the drama, but being in that inner, beautiful inner union. If you're struggling with inner union, if you need help and support, we have just started 30 days to inner union. Over the next 30 days, I support you every single day, step by step by step. You can join me live. There's over 50 hours of content to watch instantly. It's there to help and support. You can join through the Twin Flame course or directly through Awaken to Consciousness. Both lead straight in there. I look forward to welcoming you. My website, 3wcatsacredsoul.com. From my heart to your heart, from the moon to you, I send you so much love. Have a beautiful, blessed, super wolf full moon.